Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making some Easter baskets with items that I picked up from Dollar Tree. So sit back and enjoy, and I will walk you through it. Okay, let's get started. So first we're going to start with these boxes of candy. Everything here pictured is $1, and these are like the movie box candies that you used to see at the movie theater. Probably still do, but I haven't been to a movie theater in so long, I don't even remember what's there. But we're going to hot glue all of these together. This is actually my second time making these. The first time that I made them, I used super glue instead of hot glue. What a mess. The hot glue is a lot better because it dries almost instantly, whereas the super glue, you have to hold it there for a few minutes to wait for it to dry. And this together is going to form our basket. So what a cute idea of using boxes of candy for the basket, because now the kids will get extra candy. The whole thing is usable for them. We're going to put in the grass, and then we're going to place in all the items for the kids to enjoy, all the little goodies. So the eggs I didn't show on camera, but I put little gummy bunny rabbits in them. And then also we have here the little chocolate candies that look like carrots. I put a Easter egg full of slime in there, or putty. I don't know which one you want to call it, but either way, it's something fun for them to play with. Also, these little other carrots that we have are filled with like a powdery candy. And now we're putting in the pull and peel Twizzlers in Easter colors. And you can place all the goodies in there however you like it. Also, you can use an assortment of goodies. I use mostly candy this year, but definitely if your kids are younger, they would enjoy toys or candy, different items. It's just whatever you pick up. They have a lot of a variety at the Dollar Tree. Definitely you can stick with the Easter section or branch over to the toys or even other areas depending on what your child likes. So here's the finished product. What do you think, guys? Well, I personally think they're adorable, and all of these baskets only cost about $10 to make. So very reasonable and very cute. I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you for stopping by.